Gazelle! Everyone's screaming here.
I know.
Because I'm with my fans.
I'm fine.
I'm with my friends. With my friends.
Well,
My moderators. I'm with my moderators.
Mention my name.
Pam, Nana, Clar. Yeah, Pam,
Yeah,
Lady
I'm
Nana,
here.
Clar, Cheds, Princess, Gracie, SGPT. All my MVPs and moderators are here.
this all moderators girl. Wow.
But the Flash is also here.
Oh wow.
But the Flash,
all,
but the Flash, I didn't do anything.
all your moderator girls.
Yeah, and some guys.
Guys.
Why, you're still jealous? Happy
No,
birthday to your
I just asked you.
Happy birthday to your mom.
Thank you so much. Sorry. You remember. How you remember?
I remember everything you say because I always remember you. How are you? How are you?
Good.
It's been a while. Are you okay now? Are you still sick?
I'm good now.
Okay. Until what time will you be on live?
How what?
Until what time will you be on live? FB10? FB10?
SBT? No.
Until what time will you be on live?
I don't know.
Ano mo kami?
When you go to home?
Until when I go home?
No, I just ask.
Maybe in an hour or two, I'll go home.
1 hour, 2 hour?
I'll go home for you.
Later na.
Your cap, good, your cap.
For now, later I will remove. Surprise.
Why?
Because I cut my hair.
I
A
see.
bit. Just a bit.
I see, I see.
Are you not sick anymore? Are you better now? Now that you saw me?
Ay, nagsiselo?
Stop! No, they're happy. They're happy because I'm
Don't
talking.
worry, we're
to you.
old.
Yeah, don't worry, they're old. They said they're like my sisters.
Yeah, don't worry.
Lady Nana here?
Yeah, say hi, Nana.
Hey Gazelle, have you seen my powers? I kicked him,
she kicked
I
me.
spanked him earlier, just like I promised.
She kicked me.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
I tagged
Yeah.
you. You should check it out.
Lady Nana, you mabuti.
Mabuti.
Thank you.
Ganda naman.
Can you kick him again?
Is it enough now?
Okay.
Okay. Next slice.
Oh! Where's mine? May live audience eh. First mine.
What?
I said there's live audience here just watching. They're very happy that I'm talking to you
They're
again.
very supportive.
We waited for you for a while, but you were sick, so we just waited for you to get better.
You
I have
shy?
Yeah, a bit. I have surprise for you, but you will see in a few days.
Na para bang basketball.
Show me.
Yes.
Show me.
I will show you. I will not show you in live. I will show you somewhere else. I will send it to you.
Not in live?
No, not on lives. I'll send it to you. Yeah. Message.
When?
Later. What's up?
Okay.
Ano? Ano gagawin ko?
Oh my gosh.
Look, Gazelle, we're all supportive of Tommy and you. Look,
Nana, kick him again, Nana.
Why? Kick me again.
you want me to kick him?
Gazelle. Gazelle.
Yeah.
You make me shy.
What?
You make me shy.
Ano sabi niya? Wi-Fi
You cover me.
Why time different? You make me shy. Wait, where's my finger? Where's my finger heart? I cannot control anymore. Too much.
Okay, listen to me. Come here. Come
Yeah.
here. Kick Nana.
What?
Me?
Kick Nana.
What?
What? Do you want me to tell a secret?
Kick Nana.
Ano daw?
Kick me again? Huh? Nana?
What? Me? We're so supportive.
Lagi.
Look, we even put flashlight.
Hanggang sa huli. Palagi. Pipiliin kong maging sa'yo.
Oh my God, the moderator is very supportive.
Lila, nais ko malaman. La 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 la.
Pa-ER na, di ko na kaya. Sasabog na puso ko, pa-ER.
Oh my God.
What
It's been
happened?
so long. I was waiting for you for so long.
Shut up your mouth, you sleep.
Yeah, but even when I sleep, I dream of you. So I'm always
Shut up,
waiting.
you liar.
No,
You thinking about food.
no. Just you.
Yeah.
Thinking of burger, pizza.
Gazelle, he ate burger earlier.
Yeah, I had burger a while ago.
Chicken.
And Gazelle, Flynn is a guy.
see?
Flynn is a guy. Flynn is a guy. Flynn is a guy.
Didn't take the exam. Because I started my business.
Flynn is a guy.
Really?
His wife is working in the cafe and had a picture with me and told me to say hi to Flynn. Flynn is a guy. I showed you. I posted the picture. It was just me, the Flash, and RSV.
Someone sent for me gift. She from Philippines.
Philippines. I will send you something
Yeah.
again. I will
She
send
sent
you.
for me Teddy.
I will
Another
send you
Teddy.
something. I will send you something again soon.
She sent for me Teddy.
Really? I will send you something again.
You need
Okay.
to see another Teddy?
Something else. Just wait.
Hey. No, I need to see what she sent.
Who? Can I see?
A girl named Acha.
What? Sorry. Can I see?
Yeah, wait.
Okay. Okay. I'll wait. Gucci Gucci.
Oh my God, the song.
The Flash? And I'd give up forever to touch you.
Yes.
Cause I know that you feel me somehow.
Have
And all I can taste is this moment.
look.
Wow.
Wait.
It's beautiful. Just like you.
Yeah, she said for me, name it this Teddy. Hey.
It's beautiful just like you.
You know what? Hey, you know Gazelle? I missed you. It's been a while. I miss talking to you.
Yeah.
What's the name of the bear? Iris?
As a door, tak-tak, wait.
Habol namin, baka wala na lang. Kita lang namin siya sa
Paano yung kilig kami? Paano yung kilig kami? Hindi talaga kaya.
I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. Oh, I have something like that for you.
This sir.
I have something like that for you also. Just wait for it. Wait for it. But do you want to see it already or you want to wait?
Wait.
Okay, you wait for the surprise.
Guys,
What if I send you one like that? What if I send like that to you?
I don't hear you.
I'm waiting to see you. I want to see you. Hopefully one time. See me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. Guys, help me!
Snipe pa na.
Snipe! I can't even go match with you anymore because I'm just enjoying talking to you.
Rob Lawrence, excuse me.
I'll go back again later, okay? I hope we see each other again because I want to see you again later.
Okay.
Price me.
Salam.
Alam. How do I say bye? How do I say bye?
In Egypt, salam.
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 Salam. Kilig. Ulas na ako guys ha. Bye.
Bye na guys, tama na kayo.
Oo, mamaya na kayo.
Mamaya na kayo.